Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting the PC to recognize the pad. Install official drivers or Steam input so buttons map correctly. Once the controller is paired via USB or Bluetooth, make sure Windows shows it in devices. Then add Roblox to your Steam library and enable controller support in Steam so Steam handles mapping. This avoids inconsistent inputs and lets you use Steam's configuration tools. After that, launch Roblox through Steam. This is the first actionable step toward consistent controller behavior in games. Once done with connection, open Steam Big Picture and configure your controller specifically for Roblox. Remap buttons to actions you use most, then adjust stick sensitivity and dead zones so movement feels natural. Make sure triggers and analog sticks have appropriate ranges to prevent drift. If Roblox lacks a native binding, map those actions to keyboard keys or simulated mouse inputs inside the profile. Save the configuration under a clear name and export or upload it so you can reuse the profile across PCs. To finish, open Roblox's in-game settings and tweak camera sensitivity and any axis inversion to match your controller profile. This syncs feel and aim. Then play a short session to test actions, fine-tune bindings, and enable vibration if it helps feedback. If something goes wrong, try one key troubleshooting tip. Restart the PC and plug the controller in via USB to force detection. Also update drivers and close apps like X360C/DS for Windows while testing so nothing conflicts with Steam input.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.